Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are staying fit and healthy at your place and doing good and studying and working hard and helping your mother, father also. So, today we are going to start with a new topic of grammar, that is pronouns. And this is the lecture number 1 of pronouns, and the lesson number is number 15. Fine, and it is from your PC Wren's grammar book. So let us start the topics which we are going to cover in this complete lecture is explanation I will be giving you of chapter 15, then types of pronouns, then we will be discussing the book exercise, then homework solution, and we will be discussing the book exercise of that same chapter also which we did earlier, that was the poem Springing to Action. We will be doing the complete book exercise of that also. So pronouns. Now what are pronouns? क्या होते हैं pronouns? हिंदी में पढ़ते हैं हम स्वर नाम, संज्ञा के जगह पर आने वाले शब्दों को क्या कहते हैं हम? स्वर नाम. So pronouns are the words which are used in place of noun. Pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns. Like, let me take an example. You all have clock at your place. Fine. आपके घर में सब में clock है, सबके पास है. Now I am going to speak 4 sentences on clock. Now listen it very carefully. The clock has 3 hands. The clock shows correct time. The clock is white in color. The clock is red. The clock is circle in shape. Is it looking nice? Am I speaking clock again and again? No, it's not. So this clock is a noun. We are going to replace it with a pronoun, that is a it. Now look here. What do you mean by pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया, संज्ञा की जगह पर आने वाले शब्दों को सर्वनाम कहते हैं और प्रोनाउन को हम हिंदी में सर्वनाम कहते हैं. In a sentence, pronouns are used to avoid the repetition, the same nouns over and again. तो हम हर एक चीज को नाउन को बार बार रिपीट कर रहे हैं. It is not looking nice. To stop that repetition, we use pronoun. Now look at the example over here. Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohanlal drives children to school every day. Mr. Mohanlal is a jovial man. Now Mr. Mohanlal, it's a noun over here. We are again and again repeating it. So is it looking nice? No. So we will replace this Mr. Mohanlal with a pronoun. So Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. He drives children to the school every day. He is a jovial man. Fine. So we have replaced Mr. Mohanlal with a pronoun he, because Mr. Mohanlal is a male. So we are, for a male or a boy, we use a pronoun he. I hope you all have understood what are pronouns. Now the kinds of pronouns. Look, there are basically 8 kinds of pronoun: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronouns, demonstrative, indefinite pronoun, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns. But in our syllabus, we have only one kind of pronoun, that is personal pronoun. हमारे syllabus में सिर्फ एक ही प्रकार है, that is personal pronoun. Now what we are going to study, that is पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. अब पर्सनल प्रोनाउन क्या होते हैं और वो कहाँ यूज होते हैं और किसके लिए यूज होते हैं? सी, पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. In grammatical sense, a personal pronoun is a pronoun that is relatedly mainly to a particular person. Personal pronoun आपको नेम से ही पता चल रहा है, ये पर्सन के लिए यूज होते हैं. Personal pronoun are not limited to the people. सिर्फ people के लिए नहीं है. It can be referred to the any object also, or it can be referred to animals also. Like if I am going to take an example, look, now listen to me very carefully. Priya is working hard for her test. Fine. Next is, now listen to the next sentence. She is working hard for it. Fine. Now, pronouns take place of subject also. It can take place of object also. वे सब्जेक्ट की जगह भी यूज कर सकते हैं. अब मैंने प्रिया की जगह क्या यूज किया? प्रोनाउन यूज किया शी. अब टेस्ट वाज द ऑब्जेक्ट. टेस्ट क्या था? ऑब्जेक्ट. टेस्ट की जगह क्या यूज किया मैंने? प्रोनाउन यूज किया इट. फाइन. सो प्रोनाउन्स आर द वर्ड्स विच are used in place of a subject and a object also. Now personal pronoun. देखो, there are 3 kind of person. I, me, you. 3 person होते हैं हमारे. I, me, ठीक है. I refers to you yourself. आप हो, ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल लो. आप हो, आपका एक छोटा भाई है, एक बड़ा भाई है, ठीक है. आई आप खुद हो. आई ने अपने छोटे भाई से बोला यू आर अ गुड बॉय, ठीक है. और वो जो थर्ड पर्सन है उसने आपको कहा दैट योर ब्रदर इज अ गुड बॉय. दैट थर्ड पर्सन टोल्ड यू दैट योर ब्रदर इज अ गुड बॉय एंड यू हैव टू कन्वे दिस मैसेज टू योर ब्रदर दैट यू आर अ गुड बॉय. ही टोल्ड मी दैट यू आर अ गुड बॉय. फाइन. सो फर्स्ट पर्सन कौन होता है? जो स्पीकर खुद बोल रहा है, जो खुद बोल रहा है. और सेकंड पर्सन कौन होता है? जिससे बोल रहा है, जिससे बोल रहा है. और थर्ड पर्सन कौन होता है? जिसके बारे में बोल रहा है. किसी ना किसी चीज के तो बारे में बात कर रहे होंगे हम, राइट. सो फर्स्ट पर्सन रेफर्स टू सेल्फ, लाइक आई एम अ गुड गर्ल. सेकेंड पर्सन इज पर्सन ऑन और थिंग स्पीकिंग टू, जिससे बात कर रहे हैं. यू आर अ गुड गर्ल. फाइन. थर्ड पर्सन समवन और थिंग सेपरेट फ्रॉम यू, मीन्स तुमसे अलग, सेकेंड पर्सन से अलग. यू आर अ गुड गर्ल. ही टोल्ड मी दैट यू आर अ गुड गर्ल. अब ही कहाँ है इसमें? ही इज अ थर्ड पर्सन. ही इज अ थर्ड पर्सन. सो फर्स्ट पर्सन कौन होता है? खुद, हम खुद होते हैं. सेकेंड पर्सन जिससे बात कर रहे हैं. और थर्ड पर्सन होता है जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो आप. कर्ता ने कर्म को करक कारक से. फाइन. सो फर्स्ट पर्सन. अब सिंगुलर क्या होते हैं और प्लूरल क्या होते हैं? नाउ फर्स्ट लेट अस टेक फ्यू एग्जांपल्स ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. अब देखो, इसमें आपको पता चलेगा फर्स्ट पर्सन कौन होता है, थर्ड पर्सन कौन होता है और सेकेंड पर्सन कौन होता है, ठीक है. डिड आई फर्स्ट पर्सन. अब यहाँ पे अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. नॉट टेल यू, तुम्हें नहीं बताया. टू बी पंक्चुअल, शॉन. फाइन. मैंने तुम्हें नहीं बताया. आई इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन, यू इज द सेकेंड पर्सन. नाउ वी शुड ऑलवेज स्पीक द ट्रूथ. हमें हमेशा सच बोलना चाहिए. वी इज द प्लूरल ऑफ आई एंड इट इज सेकेंड पर्सन. वाई आर यू क्राइंग? तुम क्यों रो रहे हो, ठीक है. तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? तुमसे पूछ रहे हैं, सेकेंड पर्सन. आर यू अफ्रेड ऑफ मी? क्या तुम मेरे से डरते हो? यू, क्या तुम मुझसे. मी इज अगेन द फर्स्ट पर्सन. मी इज अगेन द फर्स्ट पर्सन. नाउ लेट अस गो आउट फॉर अ वॉक. लेट अस गो आउट फॉर अ वॉक. अस, हम दो. That is the plural of I. Plural of I. Fine. Some men are honest. They steal things. कुछ आदमी ईमानदार है. Are not honest. ईमानदार नहीं है. वे चीजें चुराते हैं. They कौन है? थर्ड पर्सन. हम उनको नहीं जानते, हम उनके बारे में भी बात नहीं कर रहे. They are unknown to us. वे, प्लूरल, थर्ड पर्सन. He, she, it. इनका प्लूरल क्या होता है? दे. ओपन दिस बॉक्स, इट इज लॉक्ड. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ बॉक्स दैट इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग. अब उसके लिए क्या यूज करेंगे? प्रोनाउन इट. क्या यूज करेंगे? प्रोनाउन इट. इट इज लॉक्ड. वह बंद है. प्रिया प्लेज वेल, डजंट शी? प्रिया अच्छा खेलती है. क्या वह खेलती है अच्छा? डजंट शी. Fine. So in place of Priya, I have used a pronoun she, that is third person pronoun. Fine. तो आपको याद रखना है फर्स्ट पर्सन कौन सा होता है? I, we, me, us. Second person is always you. Third person he, she, it, they, them, theirs. How are you? अब तुमसे पूछ रहे हैं सेकेंड पर्सन से. Fine. So this is all about persons. Now we will study singular and plural. First person कौन सा होता है? I, me, my, mine. अब इसका plural क्या होता है? I am studying hard. We are studying hard. ठीक है? Us are ours. ये आपको लर्न करने पड़ेगा बेटा टेबल. सेकेंड पर्सन द पर्सन स्पोकन टू. मैंने आपको बताया था जिससे बात करते हैं. You, yours, your. These are the plural of them. Same. Third person. Now about what we are speaking to. किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? That is the third person. It can be he, she, it, him, his, hers, anything. Now next is, now you have to look at this conversation very carefully. It is all from your book only. Let us start. Now read the following conversation and note the highlighted words. The words which are highlighted. If it is not visible, I will let you know the highlighted words. These are personal pronoun. यहाँ personal pronoun है और आपको ध्यान से देखना है singular कौन सा, plural कौन सा नंबर में. Father, come here, Gia, Ron and Farhan. ठीक है. Did you go out this evening? Now you is the second person singular. All of them replied, yes father, we went out this evening. Now we is the first person plural. क्योंकि ये तीन हो गए, Gia, Ron and Rohan, they are three. So we are using we for them. Did you go together? Father. You again is the second person. No, we did not go together. Rahul came to see me. Me, first person. He was going to play cricket, third person. And I went with him. Now I is the first person over here and him is the third person. For boy we use him. Father, where do you go? Chair. You is the second person. Farhan and I went for a walk to a seashore we enjoyed. Now there are two person, Farhan and I. So we are using for these two person pronoun we. Fine, we are replacing with we. Farhan, cousins, dad and Pia were sitting there on a bench. They called us. दो हैं, इन दोनों ने उसे बुलाया. They, वे. दे को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? वे. So we went and sat by them. और फिर हम गए और उनके साथ बैठ गए. We again is the first person plural and this is the third person plural. Them is the third person plural. Them is the third person plural. Father, how did you pass your time? Father, how did you pass your time? You is the second person over here. You is the second person singular over here. Farhan, I will tell you. You over here again it is plural. Pia had a doll with her. Pia had a doll with her. Her is a used for Pia. The doll which belongs to Pia, that is her. It was nicely dressed. She gave it to Gia and Jay played with it. Now for a doll we are using over here, because doll is a non-living thing, we are using it for doll. Fine. Then it is Dan had a ball and we both played with it. Now Dan over here is a person and a ball we played with it. Now for ball we are using, for non-living thing we are using it. Fine. Now the next is, see, I hope you all have understood the pronouns. So pronouns in your syllabus, pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns to stop the repetition of noun. And for this pronoun, there are 8 kind of pronouns, but in your syllabus there are only one kind is discussed. Only one kind is discussed. Now let us move forward. And this is your homework. This is exercise number 2. which you have to solve it. And next is the homework solution. This is the book exercise of chapter number 2, poem Springing to Action. So the first question was, this homework I gave you, fine, on Wednesday, the day which we were not having the class. So I'm going to discuss the solution with you. Use a dictionary to answer the following questions. You can take help from the dictionary also. So the first is, what is the first word starting with spa? S-P. You can write any word of your own choice. It can be spa, which you take spa at saloons. It can be spark. It can be separate. Find 3 nouns that begins with BR. Yeah, now you have to write 3 nouns which begin with BR. It can be broke, brick, Britain, Brazil, Britannia, any noun. Now what is the last word in the dictionary? Last word is Z, and you have to write any word with Z. Z, zygote, zoo, zebra, any word which of your own choice you can write. What word is above word and what is below word? Now what is the above word and what is the below word? Above word is word register, source, and the below word is work. Now you have to check yourself from the words which you have written. How many words are there that starts with X? There are totally 16 words in the dictionary which starts with X. There are total 16 words, and you will get the answers after discussing this. Now next is homonyms. What are homonyms? I hope you all have studied homophones. आपने पहले पढ़े हैं homophones. Homophones क्या होते हैं? Homophones are the words which have same sound but different spelling, and their meaning is also different. But now we are going to study homonyms. Now homonyms, what are homonyms? A word which is spelled like another word. Means a word which is spelled like another word. They have same sound but 2 different meanings. They have 2 different meanings. Like, let us start from here. A spring is a source of water, and it is also called coil device. The spring has 2 different meanings. It is a source of water also, and it has a coil device also. Each of the following word had 2 meanings. Take help from the dictionary, write 2 meanings and make sentences. Now the 5 words are given over here for you. You have to write their meanings also along with the sentence. Now the first word is bank. There is a bank in which we deposit and withdraw money. So it is a space to deposit money. You can write, we deposit money in a bank. Another bank is तट. किनारा होता है ना, तट होता है बैंक का, रिवर का तट होता है. I like to go to picnic on the river bank. Now this bank means either side of the river. Now bow. Bow होता है एक झुकने वाला, bend होना. Fine. I bow in front of my parents. Now what is the meaning of this bow? Bow means it is a kind of a respect. To bend in order to show respect. Next is BOW, bow. It is like the example you can take bow and arrow. तीर कमान. तीर को तो arrow बोलते हैं, लेकिन कमान को क्या बोलते हैं? Bow. Fine. Now example you can sentence you can frame on your own. Now the meaning is a curved weapon used in ancient time to shoot arrow. Now next is tear. एक होता है आंसू वाला tear, एक फाड़ने वाला tear. You can frame sentences on your own choice. Mend the tear in your dress before it becomes too big. अपनी ड्रेस में जो फटा हुआ है उसको ठीक कर लो, वो ज़्यादा बड़ा ना हो जाए. So it is a kind of a, this tear is a cut in a cloth. Next is tear. Her tears are falling down. It is a watery substance that comes out from the eyes on crying. Next is well. एक कुआं होता है well, एक कुआं होता है. It is for a good manners. Well. So the sentence is, in villages women draw water from a well. It is an underground water source, meaning. And another well is, in a good manner. Do your work well and leave the good impression on the teacher. ये वाला well कौन सा है? अच्छा करना. means to do something good, to do well. Next is might. Might yadapi. It might rain today. There is a possibility, not surety. Another might is with full strength. The warrior fought with all his full mighty. पूरी हिम्मत के साथ. Fine. Now next is, this is talk a while. It is very interesting activity. You can do it at your home also with your friends or with your relatives. Let us start. As a concerned citizen, आप एक नागरिक हो अपने देश के. You have planned a green device in your school. आपने अपने स्कूल में प्लान किया है कि हर जगह ग्रीन 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 करना है. ठीक है. Now what you will do? And you want to motivate all your friends too. और आपको अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी ग्रुप में लेना है और उनको भी मोटिवेट करना है. Call your friends and discuss what things you can do together to make your city green. आप अपनी प्लेस पे कर सकते हो ये. Call your 10 friends, fine, or 5 friends, and ask them. You have to do different activities, and you all discuss those activities there also, and you have to make the things green. Now list the task which you finally decide to do. I am writing the task in short. Fine. I will be writing 4 tasks, but that will be in short. But you have to explain these tasks, and means you have to, I will write in brief, but you will explain in detail. Fine. So the first is plant sapling in or around the school. आप क्या कर लो, स्कूल में sapling उगाओ जिससे पेड़ पौधे उग जाएं. Motivate children to carpool. Fine. Next you can water the trees and plants in your colony. जो भी आपकी कॉलोनी में plants और trees हैं उनको पानी दो. Next is stop plucking the flowers. Flowers मत तोड़ो, फूल मत तोड़ो, क्योंकि वो अच्छे और ग्रो हो जाएंगे, इसलिए भी ग्रीनरी आएगी. So you can use the green dustbin also, blue and green dustbin. It also helps in reducing this green warming. Fine. In this way you have to write. Next is, this is the last one. Write your own poem. These are few words given to you. Spur, spell, swir, sen, stir, this. Fine. And you have to make rhyming words. Use one of the blend above, making rhyming words like ring, spring. SP is coming here. Hole. Hole. You can make from here only. It can be like stole. 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 Rub. It can be with stub. 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 Cliff. It can be sniff. छींकने वाला. Weep. With weep you can make sleep. 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 And while. With while you can make a smile. 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 Mud. Stud. 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 Wine. Shine is not there. Any other. Spine. 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 Now these rhyming words you have to write it over here. Then you now use the rhyming pair to make a sentence. You can make a sentence also, or you can write a line also. आप पोएम की जैसे राइमिंग बनाते हो, सॉन्ग बनाते हो, लाइन भी लिख सकते हो. जैसे I stopped for a while and gave him a big smile. Such a beautiful line it is, na? Or you can write a sentence also. I lost my ring in the spring. Fine. So you can write a sentence also, or you can frame 2 lines for poem. So this is the answer of dictionary focus. You can write it. These are the answers of word smart. You can write it. Fine. You can frame your own also. And these are the for green school. Now let us start for write a while. These are the rhyming words. You will write it your own. Sorry, this I shifted over here. Now for first is weep and sleep. Little children, why you weep? क्यों रोते हो आप? Come here and go to sleep. Fine, this is a rhyming line. Now, whole and stole. Work together as a whole, unity and love, nobody stole. Unity, ekta. Next is while and smile. I stopped for a while and gave a big smile. It is already written in your book. Next is, have you seen my pencil stub? At its end, it has a eraser to rub. Oh, I gave a lost my silver stud. Stud होता है ना मोती, Let me search in it mud. Fine. The witch is flying above the cliff. A human smell, sniff, sniff, sniff. Seeing a man driving and drinking wine set a chill down by my spine. So these are the lines which I have written. You can frame your own rhyming lines also. These are the rhyming words you have to write. Fine. So with this we are over with our book exercise also of chapter number 2, springing with action, and we have discussed the grammar topic also, that is pronouns, and I hope you all have understood, as it is very simple, but if you will practice more and more, then only you will be able to understand. So that's it all for today. Thank you.